Okay, this song is for my beautiful daughter Emily Jane McLaren, born on the 2nd of the 2nd, 2005, which was the day that there's never been more rain in Melbourne, ever. The day the rain came. This is for you, Emily. Wednesday morning, Emily's yawning, Granny's noise they're adoring. Now we know what all the fuss is about. Hey. Hotel biscuits in full bloom, happy home, plenty of room. I drove their garden streets, life is sweet. The day the rain came, angels swept us off our feet, and not a drop her face didn't meet that day that the rain came. A little girl from up above, right here with a basket full of love. If it's here small or on the moon, the joy you bring to this saloon, Emily, you are the one for us. Such a beautiful girl to be proud of. We love you, girl, you are the one. Emily, you are the one for us. The day the rain came, an angel swept us off our feet, and not a drop her face didn't meet that day that the rain came. A little girl from up above, right here, a basket full of love. Send you, it's Roy, it's a gift from up above. I don't want to believe life is so far out of reach for Emily. The day the rain came, angels swept us off our feet, not a drop her face didn't meet that day that the rain came. A little girl from up above, day that the rain came, that day that the rain came. Little girl from up above, that day that the rain came, that day that the rain came, day the rain